Hey everyone, welcome to Turkey Time. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to show you a couple different games you can play while you're at home during break. And I'm also going to show you a thankful craft at the end of the video. So you will need a few different things. So I'll go over the supplies you need for each game and then the supplies you need for the craft at the end. So the first game I'm going to show you, I did use a brown paper bag because you will need something that has like a little pointer at the end, at the tip of it at least. So I did use a brown paper bag. I just folded up the top to kind of press it down, made it kind of like a triangle because this is the turkey leg ring toss. So you're just a plain brown paper bag. I did weigh it down. It might make it easier to play with. So I did put a book in there actually to weigh it down. And then I just taped the top. You can tape it, it might make it easier to tape it at the top. And then I used a paper plate and cut out the middle portion. So the ring toss, you can make a few of them if you're playing with a few different, if your siblings or something, or even if by yourself, you can throw a few different rings to try to make it on there. So it kind of just fits right on top. So you just throw it and then you try to make it on the turkey leg. So that should be fun. So brown paper bag, and that used tape for that. And then the paper plate, I used this one. So you could see it has like a line in the middle. Hopefully you can kind of see that indent for the circle in there. And I didn't fold it all the way. I just kind of folded it like a taco. And then if you can use scissors, that's great. If not, maybe have a parent or guardian help you cut the plate, okay? So then I'm just going to cut right on the back of it. So the open side on this side. And then I just cut straight. So just cut a slit in there, as you can see. Right there. And then from there, it might be a little hard, but you can cut along that indent to make an even-ish circle. Cut all the way around. Doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to fit around your turkey leg. So I got that out. And then there's my ring. All right. So there's the turkey leg ring toss. And then I do have a little turkey here because the next game I'm going to tell you about is pin the feather on the turkey, of course. So if you want to make a turkey, I just made a big circle out of brown construction paper and then a small circle for the head and then a triangle, a yellow triangle for the beak. So I'm just going to glue these together, and you can either use construction paper to make the feathers, or you can even use these feathers. Let's see. So these are the soft feathers. And so you just make your turkey. I glued it together with a glue stick. So glue, scissors, a pencil maybe if you'd like, and then some type of feather. So you can use tape too. So you can pin the feather on the turkey. So that's a fun little game to play. And the last game, which is kind of a fun game, is shake your tail feathers. Now, you will need a Kleenex, an empty Kleenex box, So I have the square one here, a cube one, which is fine. You could also use the long rectangular ones, whichever is easiest for you. And then you do want to either use either packing tape if you have some, or even duct tape, because you will need like a string to tape onto the box, onto the Kleenex box, and then you want to tie that around your waist, because what you're going to do is when you tie it around your waist, you're going to want these kinds of feathers, so you can put them inside, and then when you tie it around your waist, you're going to put this on the back side of you, so this faces out. And then you're going to shake them out with your body. You're kind of going to dance and shake until they all come out. So you can race with someone. Let's get the last ones out. And oh, it's hard to get them. There we go. So you want to get them all out. So you can have a race, or if you do it by yourself, you can try to get them all out by yourself. That's always fun too. I think it's funny to watch. All right, so those are the 3 games. So the turkey leg ring toss, pin the feather on the turkey, and shake your tail feathers. And then the last thing I want to show you is a thankful craft. So now you can use the same, I use just the same circle for the body and then circle for the head for the turkey that you're going to make. So it's going to look like the one I just showed you for pin the feather on the turkey. So I'm going to glue the head on. So there's the head and the body, and then I want to glue the beak on. There we go. I'm going to do it on the side like that. And then I did make hand feathers. So I traced my hand and then I cut that out. I used red and orange, and then I'll just show you the last one out of yellow construction paper that I have here. So yellow construction paper, and I have my pencil here. And I'm going to use my hand. So you want to put your hand out, spread out your fingers as wide as you'd like, or not at all. It's up to you. And I'm just going to trace around each of my fingers. And then I'll show you what my handprint looks like. So there's my hand. I'm going to use my scissors. And I'm just going to cut along. It does not have to be perfect. Alright. And then my last finger. Alright, so I have my hand here, and I'm just going to glue them on my turkey. So I'm going to use my glue stick here. Put some glue on my hand. So there's one. You can see one. The red. You can use other colors too. They don't have to be these 3 colors. You can add green, blue, purple. Alright, there's another hand. And then the last color I used, orange. There's my turkey. And what I'd like for you to do is just write on your hands what you're thankful for this year. So if you're thankful for your toys, if you're thankful for books maybe, I'm going to write down what I'm thankful for, and that is, top one is going to be family. So I'm thankful for my family. So family, hopefully you can see it. Family, you can kind of see it. Family, and then friends. Family, friends. And then I think the last one I'm going to use, at least for me, you can put more hands on there, of course, if you have more to be thankful for. But I think I'm going to write down food. So I'm thankful for family, friends, and food. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you play some of these games at home, and I hope you make a craft at home and just write down what you're thankful for. If you don't feel like writing it down, you could always say it out loud and let someone know that you're thankful for, again, family, friends, toys, food, your dog, your cat, your pet. So you can be thankful for whatever you'd like. All right, so everyone, we'll see you next time.